guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Blair. I'm very happy to have you. Today's video is going to be the Boxy Looks unboxing for the month of September. I don't know about y'all, but when they decided to put out the information that they were going to do a Boxy Looks box, I knew I had to get my hands on it. Haven't been a subscriber that long, but for the time that I have had the service, I do love it. But before we do get started, as always, if you have not yet, go ahead and please subscribe. If you do subscribe, go ahead and make sure to hit the little bell button down below so you are notified every time I upload, which will be every Monday and Thursday. Please make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It'll be much appreciated. And if you would like, and I would like you to do so, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms. They will be linked in the description box down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing that was in the box that I do want to show y'all is this headband. It is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I actually do have one already, so I'm happy to get another one. I'm not gonna complain. Second thing is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. So we're gonna go ahead and try some of this out on our face. Of course, it is something that in order to know that it's making a difference, we have to try it out over time. So I'll probably touch base with y'all on how I feel about it within maybe a month or so. Maybe my next unboxing will touch base on it. Has a citrusy kind of scent to it. I have a big face, so we're gonna put another pump just so y'all can kind of see what it looks like. Did already put my brows on, so we're gonna work around them because I don't want to mess them up. Do like the way it feels. It's kind of got a cooling sensation. We shall see. Now the next thing in the box that I do want to try before I go ahead and put my foundation and the rest of my face on is the Photo Finish Centering Citrus Primer Water from Smashbox. This was their collab with Nicole Concilio. I think I need a little more. There we go. Now, if I had to choose between this one and the Serene Green one that they have, which is kind of a cucumber smelly thing, I would choose that one. But, you know, I can't complain. It was free. Or kind of free. Part of the box. You know what I mean. So they did also include in the box the Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to apply my foundation. It's really soft. I do like the handle, how it kind of has a place for your finger. So we're going to go ahead and test this out. I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation, concealer, set my face, and we will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So now that we do have our base on, they did also include in the box the brush set from M.A.C Cosmetics, and the Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. It's a cool tone palette. Has some nice shimmers and some cool tone browns and a few darker colors down here. So we're gonna go ahead and test both of those out. Nightingale palette and the brush set. I do like the palette overall. Not really a cool tone person, but I like it. Did go ahead and throw some bottom lash mascara on. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to what's left in the box. So they did also include the Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte. And these are all of our contour shades that we have in here. Couple highlighting shades. So we're gonna go ahead and see how we feel about them. So all in all, for the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, it's a nice palette. I do have other alternatives that I would prefer more, but the palette itself is nice. If you are needing something that has a few different colors, a few different shades, try it out. Oh, and it does smell really good. So the next thing in the box was the Galactic Skin Glow Moonlight. And it's got these 2 different shades. We're going to take the gold shade here and kind of dab that on the cheek. Now the product itself is a little wet, so be careful. It's a nice highlight. Let's throw some here. Put a little on the tip of our nose and down the bridge. And we'll toss a little above our brows. Okay. All in all, that actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. So I'm pleasantly surprised. So the lip product that we did receive in the box this month, I got the Grande Lips Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rebel Raisin. It is a semi-matte finish, so it's not going to be transfer proof. But let's see. It is a very pretty fall color, so I'm happy about that. So this is our lip color on. It does kind of have a tingling sensation to it, but it is supposed to plump the lips, so that's to be expected. It's not anything like the Too Faced Lip Injections lip gloss, so if you like that feeling, you'll be okay. If you don't, it shouldn't bother you either. It's more just like a minty kind of tingling, so we're all good. So the number one thing that I was the most excited about in the box is, dun, 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 it's the Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. Now, Sol de Janeiro, I love their products. I have the Bum Bum Cream, I have the body wash, now I have the oil. So I'm really happy that they included this in the box. However, the one complaint I do have with this product is the packaging. You know, the bottle, it looks all nice and pretty, and then you take the lid off and then you got this. What am I gonna do with this? But it's okay. So I don't have anywhere to really put the oil, so I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand so y'all can kind of see what it does. If you look, it just gives your skin a nice healthy glow, and look at that. I have not smelled these products. I promise you, they are to die for. I even have they have a body crush spray, and the spray is awesome. I could wear it all day. So our last actual product is the R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. I'm going to take my hair down and we'll toss some in. My hair is kind of a mess right now, so don't say I didn't warn you. Just throwing that out there. Throw some of this in here. I do like the smell of it. It's rather clean feeling. Does look like it gave some extra lift to my hair as well, so that is always a plus. Like I said though, my hair's a mess, so don't judge me. So they did also include in this month's Boxy Luxe box a tote bag, and it's so cute. Totes a charmer. I love it. So this is our finished look using the products that were in the September Boxy Luxe box. Make sure to leave down in the comment section below what you received in your box, and we can all kind of share and see what everybody got. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I thank everybody so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see everybody next time. Bye guys.